Hello everyone. In order to improve our style and look at health holistically, I believe that we need to incorporate foam rolling practices and stretching. Okay, so basically these techniques will help you alleviate pain so that you can perform your activities of daily living better. So most of the time, people are foam rolling. They're either doing it too aggressively or they're doing it, they're not applying too much pressure. So when we are foam rolling, we gotta do it in a consistent and precise manner. What I mean by that is that we need to find or locate the areas that gives you the most tension, and we gotta release those areas. So I'm gonna show you the first foam rolling exercise, or also known as the first self-myofascial release. I'll be showing you guys techniques on how to foam roll your front of your thighs, also known as the quadriceps. Okay, so these muscles, they tend to get shortened when you're in a prolonged sitting position. Okay, so I'm gonna be down in a prone position. I'm gonna position the roller right on my thigh. Okay. So when I'm foam rolling, I'm moving upwards and downwards along my thighs. I want to either be doing it for 5 repetitions, 1 repetition being up and down, or once I feel like the tension has reduced. Next, I'm going to move my legs laterally. So I'm going to rotate my legs outwards and inwards, applying pressure on the roller. Same thing, I'm going to either go for 5 repetitions, 1 on each side, or until I feel like the tension has reduced. Next, when I feel I'm at the area that gives me the most tension, I'm going to bend my knee joint. I'm going to bring my heels to my bum, and I'm going to extend my legs fully again. Like before, I'm going to do it for 5 repetitions. As you can see, I've just foam rolled and released the tension on my quadriceps, the front of my thighs. So I'm gonna show you guys the benefits of it. So I'm gonna be lifting my knee on the release side for a couple of times. I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. I can feel that it's easier to move my right leg, the one that's released, as the function of the thigh muscles is to flex the hips. Being in prolonged sitting positions, our spines get compressed and our shoulders will tend to lurch forward. I'll be showing you guys how to open up the upper half of the spine, also known as the thoracic spine. Okay, but before I'm going to do that, I'll be showing you what immediate benefits the foam rolling can do. So I'm going to be doing a seated toe reach first. I'm going to reach as far forward towards my toes. This is the maximum I can do it. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you some techniques on the T-spine. So I'm going to be positioning the roller on the upper half of the spine. I keep my knees bent and my head supported. Most of the movement should come from my upper half of my spine and not my lower back. What I'm going to do, same thing for 5 repetitions. I'm going to extend the spine. I'm going to think about opening up my upper body, pushing myself against the roller. I'm going to come back up, flexing my spine. I'm going to do that for a couple more reps. What you want to be paying attention to is your breathing. You want to breathe rhythmically. You want just ensure that you're not moving with any pain.